Hey, my name is Edgar. You may recognize my voice from the Salle Pierre Lamy podcast, available from sallepierrelamy.com, or also available on iTunes. In fact, if you look underneath, you'll be able to see a link to the show. But that's not why you've come here. You've come here because you like Muse, right? Matthew Bellamy, he's the guy from Muse, and he's got a particular singing style. He does like a bit of a breathe. So, yeah, let's have a listen to that, shall we? Okay. And that was Matthew Bellamy from Muse doing his breathing singing. Thank you. Go and listen to the podcast. We love you. Goodbye.